Hi, welcome to the garden. I am going to show you the final covering that I've done. I'd already put the plastic jugs and the plastic buckets and the cardboard and all the different stuff I could find, plastic pots, and put over. But it's supposed to get down to 31 degrees tonight, so it's going to be below freezing. So I did go ahead and put the landscape fabric, that white there you see in there. The other is frost. The landscape fabric is black. The frost blanket, which would be fine, is white. The only bad thing about this landscape fabric is I put hose in it whenever I was using it for landscape fabric. So it does have some hose in it, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. If I come back later and show you, I will show you if that is a problem. I had a drop cloth here because these didn't go all the way down, so I dropped that over it. That should be fine. I did go ahead and leave everything on them, if you can see there, so the way this stuff won't crush the tomato plants, because that can happen. You don't want to crush the tomato plants. And on the potatoes, bring you up over here. I think I showed this last time, and I'm gonna have to go back and recover some of these. This is how they look. Some of them did come uncovered, so good thing I can make the video. And really, I mean, even if they burnt these back, they'd be okay. They'll still come out. But this doesn't take much to add that to it. And then my bigger potatoes I didn't show, I did put a lot more on it. Now I will say that hopefully this is the last freeze, because all my little plums are starting to bloom out. And get that where it's in focus. And I do need to trim these things up. I also need to spray them. And this one is actually going to bloom out this year. This is a Chickasaw plum, so it hadn't really bloomed out that much here lately. But it's a year or two younger than the other ones. My Primark Freedom is blooming out. So that's how they look when they start to bloom out. And then over here is where I piled up the leaves on top of the potatoes. And honestly, I can just leave them like that. The other thing I didn't say, sometimes you can also just heal up the dirt on top of them, cover them up, leave the dirt on it, and they'll grow up through the dirt. It's better if they don't bite them back. It's better to let them grow up through the dirt anyway. But, you know, you plant this early, sometimes you got to protect everything, but I still think it's worth it to plant early. And there's the blooms on some of my peaches are starting to come out. Like I say, these here should be okay. Again, I do need to start spraying these pretty quickly to keep the brown rot off. There's my horse eating on the other side of the fence because he just thinks this is grass. And I actually let him in this area here sometimes. But anyway, that's what everything looks like. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.